MyCar. We have a search cars informations. Now let's start our presentations here.
Now I'm going to present our presentation of our final project for CS5200. The name of our project is MyCar, and the team member is Siyu Qiu and Jing Li. Basically, MyCar provides user and platform to communicate their comments and interests about car styles. Registered user can search for car makes, models, years, and style hierarchically to find the style detail they want to view. In Style Details page, it displays engine information and photo of this car style. User can make comments and like this car style based on this information. Only an administrator can delete other users. For example, if someone posts comments that related to sex, violence, or murder, any other user can decide to report him on his profile page. Administrator user will receive this report and then delete this user. User can update their profile as well as follow any other user. In this project, we use Edmond's API to retrieve data of makes, models, years, and styles. And we also use GPA to manage MySQL database by Java programming. And in generalization part, we implement single table strategy, and so we added an attribute type to indicate it is an administrator or user. User and administrator have generalization relationship with person. Likes and comments have composition relationship with user. All the likes and comments of that user will be deleted after the user was deleted. Report has aggregation relationship with the user that made this report and has composition relationship with the one that has been reported, which means this report will be deleted if the user who made this report has been deleted, and this composition and this report will be deleted when the user that has been reported was deleted. User like style detail have many-to-many relationship. Then we added a mapping table like to refine that. User and follower have many-to-many relationship as well, so we added a mapping table follower to refine that. Here is our class diagram. We can see that we have two types of users. The normal user can report and follow any other user, and also can like or make comments for this style detail. And we retrieve the data of makes, models, years, and styles from Edmond's API. Here is our use case analyze. We list all the use case in the
Now let me show you the demonstration of our website. First, let's register a regular user to start this. Let's call this user 1. After we create this user, we can log in with the correct username and password. If we enter the incorrect password, it will show the error message here in this login page. Oops. This is user 1's profile homepage. We can update his profile if we enter the correct username and password. Here we can see the update information shows in the profile homepage. We can also search cars through this button. This is our search page. If we search any makes that has no models, it will go to the models not found page and go back to this makes list. We can like this kind of car and make comments here. After we submit my comment, the comment the user one made will show here. If I go back to my home page, I can see the comments I made and the style I liked here. If I go to the click on the style ID, I can go back to the detail page to see the information. The photos and engine information is here. If I unlike this car and go back, this like records goes away. Now let's create another user to perform the follow, unfollow, and report function. Let's call this user 2. Here we can still update our profile. We can like this car, and this is the user one's comments here. If I go to user one's profile, I can see his homepage profile and see his comments, his likes, something. And also I can follow this guy. It shows in the followers part, and unfollow this records goes away. If this user one make a comment that has anything related to violence, murder, or sex, we can report this user. And go back. In order to show you the aggregation relationship between report and user, I have to create another user called user 3. I can like this car and make comments here. If I go back to this page, I can also delete my comments and likes in my profile page. Now let's report a user. Let's use user 3 to report user 2. Since the regular user cannot delete any user, we have to create another administrator to show you the delete user function. If you choose the wrong user type here, it will show the error message here. We can also update the administrator's profile if we enter his correct username and password. Here we can see the updated information shows in the administrator's profile page. This record is user 2 report user 1, and this record is user 3 report user 2. If we delete this guy, the user 2 report user 1's information will never goes away. To verify the user 2 has been deleted, we can log out and log in with user 2's username and password. It shows this user cannot be found. So this is our MyCar website.